Hi, Eileen Veilleux The Fam here. Welcome to my easy 1-minute meditation video. And in this video, I am going to teach you how to calmly meditate for 1 minute. The video will probably be longer than that because I'm doing the introduction to it right now. And plus, we are going to be doing it with our eyes closed and then with our eyes open. So let us begin. I want you to start by relaxing into whatever posture you're in, whether you're sitting down, standing up, or something else. Then with your eyes closed, I want you to breathe deeply into your stomach, and again, imagine calm as a color. What color would that be? Now imagine your stress or overwhelm as a color. What color would that be? Set a timer for 1 minute. Now simply breathe in the color you imagine for calm and breathe out the color that represents your stress and overwhelm. Repeat this, taking deep, super slow breaths for 1 whole minute. When the timer goes off, slowly open your eyes and return to your day. So now that we know how to do it, let's practice. With our eyes closed, we're going to take a deep breath in and think of our calming color. And then we're going to exhale slowly through the mouth and think of our stress color. And breathe that out. Breathe in that deep calming color through your nose. And exhale that stress color out through your mouth. Deep, slow breath through your nose. Think of your calming color. And then exhale your stress, overwhelm color through your mouth slowly. Deep breath in. Think of your calming color. Exhale, thinking your stress color. Nice slow breath out through the mouth. Deep breath in through your nose. Eyes closed. Picture your calming color. Exhale slowly through your mouth, thinking about your stress or overwhelming color. Let it out. Get that stress out. Very good. Now I want you to slowly open your eyes. Study the picture you see on the video. And we're going to just picture this calm, peaceful water, beautiful sunset. And we're going to breathe in deep through our nose, keeping in mind our relaxation, calming color. Then slowly exhale through your mouth with your eyes still open. Release the stress, the overwhelming by the color. In through the nose, your nice calm color pictured in your mind as you're looking at this picture. Pretend you're sitting at the end of this dock, just enjoying the beautiful sunset. Breathe in slowly through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Again, in through the nose, nice, deep, slow breath, relaxing, enjoying the scenery. Nice, calming sound. And exhaling all that stress, worry, anxiety, just letting it go into the universe. Again, breathe in nice and deep through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Breathe in and breathe out. Very good. Now I hope this video has helped you to calm down, to relax, however your day is. Please, in the comment section, let me know if this video has helped you out or not, and then if you enjoyed it, I appreciate any and all comments. And until I see you again, have a very, very peaceful day.